Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to have English class for class 5. Class 5. So we finished so far 5 lessons. Now we are stepping into the 6th lesson, which means this lesson is for the second unit test. You have to study for second unit test. So, the heading of the lesson is No Further Than Mandya. No Further Than Mandya. The page number is 71. Page number 71. Some years ago, the three boys decided to have an adventure. It was the middle of the summer holiday, and their boarding school in the hills was closed for a month. They might have read or gone to the cinema, but they decided to do something more exciting. Now, here in the first paragraph, some years ago means long ago, we don't know how many years ago. So, sometimes we also, when there is holiday, now this is the holiday for the coronavirus disease. This is one kind of spreading disease. See, we all of us have holiday. Why? Not to enjoy, but to safeguard ourselves and to save ourselves. But we misuse the freedom. Freedom is not that freely we are allowed to roam anywhere. The which is given to us to safeguard ourselves reasonably, which holidays are given, we are taking an advantage so that we can have good picnics, or we can go around, or we can spend our holidays anywhere, anything. Now sometimes I take online classes. You have seen that how many children are really reluctantly and meaningfully attending, because they think that we can do at any time anything, no problem. We can see somebody's book and write the notes. Doesn't matter. After all, the question of exam. When the exam comes, we will see to it. Take somebody's books and we will complete the notes. Whatever that we have to do, we will do. That's not fair. According to us, that's not fair. Because this is the time you are supposed to remain in your houses, not to say yourself. One. Second, the on classes, that school, like a school only, the classes are going on, online class. But you don't take into serious. Now, yesterday I took the class. Out of 63, there were only 35, 34. Now, when the exam appears, 63 children can sit in front of the mobile or laptop and they have fully network without any problem. So this is the connection of this lesson, isn't it? If we want to take some or the picnics and we can go on, no problem. Now some years ago their boys decided to have an adventure. This is the different thing. They are decide what is an adventure. Now adventure means some risk taking job, some risk taking work, some risk. You are now students, they take some risk and they go so that they can achieve something. This is the for good purpose of during summer holidays they are going out for the good purpose, not to misuse the holidays. It was the mid of the summer holiday, mid of the summer, maybe April, May, like that, midsummer. and their boarding school in the hills was closed for a month. Yeah, it's closed for a month. Yes, our school also closes every year for summer holidays. They might have read or gone to the cinema. They might have read or they must have seen the picture or film anywhere. So they want to take some adventure, but they decide to do something more exciting. But it is more which is risk taking and more exciting one. Danny and now coming to the second paragraph, Danny and Robin, two English brothers, lived in India because their father worked for a company in Bangalore. Danny and Robin, they are not from Indians, they are maybe some America or Australia, most probably. So they were living. Now many people are there in India, abroad people, they come and live here. They, what is that? And adapt our cultures. Sometimes they build the houses and live here only, or else they work sometimes and they go back because their father worked for a company in Bangalore. Their friend Nikhil was from Bombay. Now they had a friend, his name was Nikhil. Now these are three friends. His parents had gone abroad for a couple of weeks, so he was staying with his friends. Now his parents are also not there, they are gone abroad, so they were staying with his friends. Plans for their adventure, a 3-day camping trip of bicycle 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 got underway. Now what happened here? Plans for their adventure, a 3-day campaign trip on bicycles got underway. The brothers had their own bicycles, and hiring one for Nikhil would not be a problem. Now they had a plan for the adventure for 3 days. Now, camping trip on bicycle. Camping means going on the bicycles, remaining wherever the place is there, somewhere they remain, they whatever they get, they eat. Got underway. The brothers had their own bicycle and hiring one of the Nikhil would not be problem. So Nikhil has to hire a bicycle. Now let's plan the trip properly, said Nikhil one day. Now let's plan the trip properly. Who said this? Nikhil. The three boys sat down to make an itinerary. What is that itinerary? That is the plan you prepare for the journey. Okay, meaning you can see afterwards if you want. So, a route or proposed route of journey. A route or a proposed which route we can go, which route we can reach to a place. Place means where they have suggested that place. That they make a underline that word. Robin fetched some paper and pencils, and Danny examined his new pen knife. Pen knife means there's a pen, it's a pen knife. Since you have that handy, Danny, said Nikhil, pushing the pencils across the table, you may as well as sharpen this. Now they will have damaged the blade. They will damage the blade, said Danny. Looking at the pencils suspiciously. Suspiciously means doubting. That's what a knife for, promote Robin. Cutting, what else? There is a knife. Some maybe some funny knife, or they maybe had some this, whatever maybe. So that's what a knife is for. They said, replied Danny. You will see. this is number one on my list of things to take on the expedition. Now, what is expedition year? Expedition year. See, the next meaning is what is expedition? A journey with the definite purpose. A journey with the definite purpose. And this much for today. Few paragraphs. Small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Maybe I explained to you that you go through it, and tomorrow again I will further explanation I will put in the videos, because I don't have online class, so I have to manage like this. So please do cooperate with me. Okay, then see you. Then read nicely. Have a nice day. Good day. Thank you, children, and God bless you. Keep you safe. Stay. Okay.